You said predicting customer needs. A lot of times I think that as CMOs, we're almost like archaeologists, like going out and trying to dig and find the customer need and aha, there it is. But predicting customer needs, there's a process to predict well, right?
Yes.
And so tell me what you mean by, instead of it being customer focused, like I talk to a lot of customers, I do surveys, and I understand my customers. That's different than, or maybe a predecessor to predicting customer needs. How do you see that working?
Well, I think it's an easy sentence and really hard in application. I think when we're talking about an industry like merchant services, unless you are specific to one industry, the needs are varied and really disparate. But that doesn't mean at the core of it that there aren't 4 or 5 themes that any business owner would need. As a restaurant, you need to integrate into all of the delivery apps. For a convenience store, do you want to have your inventory tied into your POS system and to automatically let you know it is time to purchase more toilet paper? That is specific, but if you step back, it is a need that any store, any something, it's a need that can be scaled. Do you need a website? Do you need revenue management? What is it that is needed? Where can we take disparate thoughts and disparate technology and put it all into one place? It is the same idea as we used to have a cell phone and a camera and a calculator. And now we have one thing. It wasn't that we didn't have a calculator or we didn't have a phone. It was the prediction that we can just get this all in one spot. And it sounds crazy when you say it the first time. And now it is, you couldn't imagine walking around with all of these things all over the place. It just makes sense now because this technology moves so quickly. What the capabilities are change every single day. It really comes down to what do we see the need being at a top level for everyone, and how then can we segment and personalize for different size companies, different companies all around the country who might have different tax laws or different privacy concerns and privacy codes and laws tied in. And how do we just make it seamless for everyone and make a top line thought seem highly personal and highly important at an individual level?